The tennis world was rocked today when Jim Courier announced his retirement.
Yes, Jim Courier's new career decision did take us by surprise.
Uber Eats.
But
Enjoy.
looking back, the signs were all there. I don't know how we missed it.
Gotta go.
Hey, hon. I think our courier was Jim Courier.
Jim's father was a courier. His father was a courier.
Advantage Courier.
Great-grandfather was a courier. Goes on and on.
Get those legs ready to fire.
Courier.
Yep.
Jim.
I think it's always been his true calling.
Brought the energy tonight.
Oh, I got an order. Gotta go. Congratulations.
I mean, his name isn't Jim Tennis Player.
Pat Rafter?
Jim Courier.
It's a Woodbridge.